Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your My SNHU portal. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search My SNHU login. After you make search, just scroll down a little bit and you'll find self-management portal login. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your credential, which includes your email and your password. In case you forgot your password, you can click here and reset it. If not, then just enter your credential and log in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.